Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making a single, focused document and naming it. This avoids scattered drafts. Once done, set page size, margins, and line spacing so formatting doesn't steal your attention later, and create a simple folder structure. Make sure to enable offline access and add a label or tag for this project. Then, draft a working title and a 1-3 bullet outline to prime ideas. These first steps get you writing fast and keep the file organized. You move into drafting by breaking the doc into headings and short sections. That makes revisions simpler. As you write, alternate between quick free-writing and targeted edits and use voice typing when you want flow, then switch to suggesting to preserve edits for review. Insert research items as you go, links, images, and short citation notes, and create a bibliography section. Use comments to capture questions and resolve them once you've finished a full pass. This keeps momentum without losing context. You finish by running a final proofreading pass, using spelling and grammar and read aloud to catch rhythm and tone, then confirm word count and section order. Once satisfied, export as docx or PDF or publish the doc and double-check formatting in the exported file. If something goes wrong, like sync conflicts or missing content, reload the page, confirm offline sync is enabled, and, if needed, copy the content into a new document to force a clean save. That simple recovery fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.